Welcome to Photopea tutorials. In this video, I will give a brief introduction to Photopea. Photopea is a powerful free online photo editor that runs entirely in your web browser, so no installation or sign up required. Designed to closely resemble Adobe Photoshop, it offers a wide range of professional tools for photo editing, graphic design, and digital illustration. Photopea supports many file types, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and common formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, SVG, and PDF. This makes it a great choice for users who need to open and edit layered files without having access to expensive software. Key features of Photopea include layer support with blending modes, layer masks and adjustment layers, smart object, vector tools, filters and effect, and export options. Because it works directly in the browser, Photopea is compatible with any device that has internet access, including Windows, macOS, Linux, and even Chromebooks. It's completely free to use with optional ads for monetization. Users who prefer an ad-free experience can purchase a low-cost subscription. Whether you're editing photos, creating social media content, or designing UI mockups, Photopea offers a robust, accessible solution that fits right in your browser. So let's get started by clicking on Start Using Photopea button. And here's the homepage of Photopea. We have some tabs on the left, as well as those on top. And you can create a new project, import the existing project from your computer, and use templates. And you can also drop files here if you have another app open with the file. For now, let's create a new project. You can choose the dimensions. There are a bunch of different formats for different types of purposes. So for social media, like Insta Story, YouTube thumbnail, print, like A4, A3, photo, like wallet or in print, for screen, Full HD, 4K, 2K, mobile, for different types of phones, then ads and banners, and square sizes. For now, let's create an A4 document, and we can name it There are also further settings that you can adjust in your document, like set width and length, DPI, background, profile, and more. Set the width and length, set DPI, so pixels per inch, which is going to be 300 because it's the most optimal. The background is going to be also white. You can also choose the black or transparent or custom and choose your own color by clicking here. But I will just put on white. And profile, you can choose RGB, Adobe RGB, or other types. And then click on create. So here we have the editing window. It resembles Photoshop a lot. The interface is almost identical with the instruments on the left, layer tab with some other instruments on the right, and further settings on top. And here we have layers, we have channels, paths, history of the actions, swatches, so color palette. Then we have properties of the object and of the layers, brush, settings, text, paragraph, CSS, and gallery. These are all the settings on the right, and the settings on the left are the instruments that we're gonna use. So like an arrow, select, brush, eraser, text, all the other instruments that are going to be useful. And there is also colors, the main colors that we have. And on top there is still the same tabs that were previously. So the File tab is to create a new file, or open an existing, open and place, then share it, save as PSD, export, print, export layers, etc. Then we have edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window, and more. So the interface is pretty easy to comprehend once you understand what is what, and it really does resemble Adobe Photoshop. So now let's go back to the homepage of Photopea to see more of the interface. You can open import file from the computer. It needs to be for example, if it's a PSD. Then you can just open it, and here you will have all the layers that are here. I created this file in Photoshop, but Photopea reads it perfectly, and here you can see all of the layers, all of the shadows, highlights, etc. You can also open a PDF file. For example, this. And here there are also all the layers that were done. Going back to the home page, you can also use the templates that are available in Photopea. You can use mockups of logos, mobile and web mockups, print, product, social media, different social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, prints like visit cards, invitations, brochures, resumes, and all the different stuff. Photopea has a ton of templates that you can use. For now, to see how it works, we can open up this mobile mockup. And here we can also see the layers. We can turn them on, turn them off by clicking on this icon here. Edit each of the layers, have different filters, etc. And you can also paste your own design into this mockup, displaying how it would look like in real life on, for example, this smartphone. So in this video, we explored the basics of Photopea and how to get started with it. We explored the interface, which is user-friendly and closely resembles Adobe Photoshop. We saw the tool panel on the left, layers and properties on the right, and the menu bar at the top for accessing advanced features. Then we created a new project. We learned how to start from scratch by going into New Project, where you can set custom dimensions, resolution, and background settings. And we also learned how to import an existing project. It is very easy by just opening the files on your computer or simply dragging and dropping PSDs, JPEGs, PNGs, PDFs, or even Illustrator and Sketch files right into the workspace. Here, there are the icons of all the resolutions that they take, so PSD, AI, XD, Figma, Sketch, PDF, RAW, or any of these, so JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, etc. So Photopea allows a lot of formats. And we also took a glance at templates. We explored it. We also explored the template section, which offers pre-designed layouts for things like social media posts, posters, resumes, and more, making it super easy to jumpstart your project. In the next videos, we will be diving more deep into the editing and templates and Thank you for watching.